We're happy to announce that Pierce County disease rates have traveled below the upper threshold in the moderate range of the Departments of Health school decision tree. So the moderate range is 25 to 75 cases per 100,000 over 14 days. And we are now at 73.3 cases. So what that means for schools is that schools can now begin to offer those plans as described in the decision tree and opening up slowly and gradually, starting with elementary school students for in-person learning.
How are they going to work with the department moving forward? Like, what's the next step for them?
So the next step really is for schools to work with inside the structure of the Department of Health's decision tree. The vision here is that there's guidance there. We'll continue to have collaborative conversations with schools about how in Pierce County we're interpreting the guidance together, how we are working together to interpret the guidance. And we've made good progress. We have some good understandings, and we'll keep up those collaborative conversations.
So what are the ages that can return now? Can you run through that?
The guidance calls out starting with younger students. So in Pierce County, we've defined that as kindergarten through 5th grade. We do recognize that some schools are structured to operate through 6th grade. So we want to have conversations with those private or public schools that are structured with their buildings through 6th grade to see what we can do to accommodate those 6th graders as well.
So for the students who are returning to school, are there specific guidelines that they have to follow while they're in classrooms that the health?
Yes, well, the schools have set that up. So each school building is different. And so they have developed tailored plans for their buildings that allow them to maintain social distancing, to set up the traffic flow. A lot of them will have students entering one door and exiting another. They're going to set up individualized schedules. Some of them may be on an A-B schedule where students are only there certain days of the week. So each district and each building is going to have some variation. We're supportive of that. We think that makes the most sense.
So if they have a plan ready and they're ready to go back tomorrow, they could do that?
They could do that if their plans are ready, yes.
Okay.
Well, tomorrow is Saturday,
Cool.
so
Yeah.
hopefully we'll wait until Tuesday.